Guys, the market's back on a downtrend. So now we got confirmation with yesterday, guys, with the speech that happened from Jerome Powell from the Fed at 2 p.m. Starting 2 p.m., guys, yesterday, everything drifted down. What was actually said during the meeting was not that bad at all. They're not raising interest rate right now. They're gonna wait till March, as predicted. From what it sounded like, they will raise it to 0.25. It was percent. It was not confirmed if it was gonna be 0.5 or 0.25%, but it seems like if it's going to be 0.25. If it's 0.25, there's no reason for the market really to just become insane. Yes, inflation will go up. I mean, but it's expected. It's expected. If rates jump up 0.25%, it's really not going to change anything. It really shouldn't change anything, and the market shouldn't be flipping out the way it's flipping out, guys. This morning, what we're seeing is a confirmation after the speech, which everything started drifting down as soon as Jerome Powell opened his mouth. As soon as he opened his mouth, guys, yesterday, you saw the graph spike up right before the speech started, guys. And as soon as the speech started, drifting down, drifting down, drifting down, quite a bit actually. And if you take the week graph, I believe that the speech, what day are we today? On the 27th, the speech started right here, guys. You see, it started right here, guys. As the speech went on, it went up in the morning, and then as soon as it started, just drifted down, 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 down. So I want to talk about two main stocks. We're going to talk about cryptos really quickly, briefly, but I want to talk about DraftKings and Robinhood. Robinhood earnings are today, guys. Robinhood has their earnings today and is going through a flash crash of 4% right now. It was yesterday, guys. I bought some more Robinhood at around $12.50. It stabilized. That was the dip. It was at $13.50 before Jerome Powell started speaking. Let's actually take a look at this. It was around, $13.50, guys, at 2 p.m. And it drifted down to $12.50. At around $12.50, guys, I bought. And then this morning, it tanked even more. It tanked even more. And, guys, I just put another, I only had $150 left on my account right here. So I added it. And then I just transferred some more money. And I might buy the dip if it drops a little bit lower. I mean, Robinhood around $11. I don't think you could go wrong. If you're holding it a little bit long term, I don't think you could go wrong. Now, let's look at DraftKings, guys. DraftKings just got upgraded, actually. DraftKings is at a really, really low price. It's almost at its ultimate low. It hit the ultimate low 2 days ago of $17.41. It came back up yesterday. It jumped up yesterday almost 15% until Jerome Powell started talking. And then it drifted back down. But yesterday, guys, it hit up to almost $23. We're back down to $20. There's a 15% to be done here. 15% profit to be done here. And guys, if you look at the news, there's some good news that came out yesterday. DraftKings stocks rockets after Morgan Stanley says it's now too cheap to ignore. Too cheap to ignore. And he put his price target. If you look at the price target, guys, his price target, he kept his stock price target at $31, which implies about a 39% upside from current levels. I would say that would be a good stock to get into. And guys, my average cost on DraftKings is at $28. I'm probably going to buy some more. I see today as like it just dropped 1.4%. Not like Robinhood, which dropped almost 5% today. But I think around $20 is a very good. It seems like it's holding up that $20. If you see, it drifted down at 11 o'clock this morning to 20, and it bounced back up. It bounced almost to $21. And now drifted back down lower. It did reach 1996, so it broke under that 20, and we're right there. So I think around 20, if it goes any lower, it would be a good buying price, given the information that just came out. So I'm probably going to add a little more, guys, on my portfolio on DraftKings, and then see where this takes us. Now, really quickly, guys, I mean, everything's kind of tanking. Everything's tanking. Really quickly, let's look at cryptos. I think Bitcoin is a really good, it tells you where the market is right now, how the market is feeling. And it tried to come back up this morning, guys. It tried to come back up to that. It went up to 37,000. We hit 38,000 yesterday. And then the speech started, guys. 38,000. The speech started. We drifted back down to 35.50. It seems like things are stabilizing around 3,600. at 36,000. I mean, sorry, and hopefully we can drift it back up. 36,000 would be good, and then 20. I would say that that's the 2300 mark for Ethereum. Yep, you can see it. We hit 25 plus, shy of 26, but over 2,500. So it seems like cryptos, guys, I'm not gonna put so much more money into cryptos right now because I feel like there's some stocks that are a really good buying opportunity, like DraftKings, Robinhood. So it's more there that I see that I could put my money. I could see an easier upside on those stocks compared to cryptos right now at this price. Cryptos will come back up. I believe in crypto. I believe that cryptos will do good this year. But I think that there's easier money to be made right now on certain stocks. Dogecoin, same thing. But Dogecoin, guys, is Dogecoin. We don't know what will happen with Dogecoin. It's always like, what is Elon Musk's next move, and how is social media gonna react to Elon Musk's next tweet? That's the ultimate question. So Dogecoin, it hit 14.5, and now back down to the low 14. I could see Dogecoin drifting back down. It'll follow what Bitcoin is doing right now. It's gonna follow, but it would be nice to see Dogecoin. Bitcoin is resistant. Ethereum is resistant. It would be nice to see Dogecoin actually not even at 15 cents, but back up to 16 cents. That's where I would like to see Dogecoin. Average cost right now on it, we're at 17.8. So our average cost is, I brought it down quite a bit. But it'd be nice to see Dogecoin come back up a little more. And Elon Musk has been trying. He has been trying. It's just we need the momentum to pick up. We need that momentum to pick up a little more. Guys, we're going to keep this fairly short for today. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We'll do an update tomorrow. Last day of the market tomorrow. So let's see how this all turns out, finishes out. But I think that things will keep slowly drifting down a little bit. And then we'll see some spikes back up. Kind of similar than what we've been seeing, guys. What the market's been doing the past month. I think we were going to see something similar for the next few weeks. I think that's kind of what... that's what the Fed meeting seems to be doing. So I think until our next Fed meeting, this is what's going to happen. We're going to be drifting down, spiking back up a little bit, hitting resistance line, drifting back lower, and then resisting again. But these are some really good buying opportunities. We cannot, there's some of these stocks that, guys, that you cannot score them. I mean, this is unbelievably low. Imagine Robinhood at 11. Who would have thought about this 3 months ago? Who would have thought about this 3 months ago? $11. DraftKings, $20. It's cheap. It's cheap. Anyways, guys, I'm out. Good luck on your end. Drop down in the comments. What do you have your eye on? And remember, I'm no financial advisor. This is me doing my thing with my money. So be safe out there. Be careful. It's a rough market, guys. Be careful. And I'm out. Have an awesome day. Booyah.